G'day scrappers! Hey, we're out street scrapping! Oh, it's been a while. Oh gosh. Yeah, so I feel like a bit of a fish out of water. Scrap metal. It's a bit out of whack as usual. So we're just going to go how we go. See if we can load up pretty much anything today. I mean, obviously I hope for electronics, but the way scrap steel prices are going, that's gone. Yeah, too late. Yeah, the way scrap steel prices are going, might as well take a bit of scrap steel while I'm around. So let's go and do it, guys. Hey! Okay. It'll look. Just take anything, because no doubt there's going to be a lot of scrappers around. Everyone wants their little piece. There was a PC.
On the hunt?
No doubt all the PCs will be scrapped. Well, scrap steel. Push bikes, nah, I might just wait. I'll just wait till the end. If I've got room, I'll take a few. I don't want the lawnmower. Or do I? No. Okay. Oh well, cast iron grill. Two batteries. Oh yeah. Now that's a good score. Hey? That pays for fuel straight up. There's about probably 25 bucks is a microwave. Before the microwave scrappers come, I might as well just take a few. What do we got here? Yeah. Okay. Cable, cord food. We need cord food. This really feels good. I feel good being out here. Just having a bit of fun, guys, and seeing what we can score. Just a printer, cord food, a box, a mouse. Cool. Scrap steel. Hey. Oh, it just fits. Little piles, because this area is twice yearly. So, coffee machine, toaster. It's a classic Guggia. I'll take that. Coffee grinder. Oh, hey, laptop, yay. Nice. AMD A6. Toshiba, oh. It's a little radio. Whole bag of cable and laptop with charger. Wow, awesome. That toaster, coffee machine, got a whole kitchen set. Oh dear. Should have went one. I wasn't expecting that pile to, oh there's another one there, that pile to really have much, so that's why I walked. Toaster! And, wow, a beautiful Toshiba laptop in fantastic condition with power supply. Keep that. That was awesome. Even better when they're laptops instead of PCs, obviously, because a lot easier to sell a laptop than it is say an i5 PC or something like that. I know some of you are fans of fans. Okay, we'll take the fan, get the motor out, rest in scrap. Cold food. Good old vino. Cable. Okay, both doors open. says, just because you take a break doesn't mean you have to quit. Looking for any buried goods. Antenna. It's just plastic. It's only... Okay. What's this? Nothing really. Hey, cutlery. Look for silver spoons. Yeah, another microwave unscrapped. I think I'll take the microwave and we'll scrap it. It's such a beautiful winter day. Certainly different to what we've had. Cord food with the price of copper wire. Be crazy to leave it. Every little bit helps. What you got? Toys. It's got a female picker. It's going around picking stuff. Why not? It's all scrap steel to me. Yay! PC! Oh. Beautiful, just generic, but awesome. Hey, we got our first PC to match our laptop. Beautiful. Hey, one PC, one top laptop. Top laptop. One of the better ones that I've found in street scrapping anyway. Iron alley. Why not? This fan is way too light. So, iron alley. That's what we want. With hard drive. Hey, Blu-ray. Well, a little bit of board. I'll leave the TV. It's actually a little stony. But this mixer, nice. I'll leave the TV just in case, because there are people looking for little portables. So I don't want to cut the cord. But this Yamaha mixer, it's an old one, it's got a cassette deck. MT4X. Oh, something different. Well, I don't think it's stainless, but it doesn't matter because it doesn't take up much space. Because I can stuff things in it. Alright. That's 2 coffee machines. Hey, not bad. PC. Hey, that's a nice bin. Good top. I mostly want the top, but it's a good old bin. Wastemaster 240 by Nilex. I know it takes up a lot of room, but it's alright. I take your bin, mate.
Yeah, by all means.
Thanks, really come in handy. Extruded aluminium, nice angle. Okay. Oh, cord cutter. Hey, another microwave. I wish they were PCs, but what do you do? Yeah, so there's mountains of piles. Here we go. Power tools. Yeah. I've got to come back to that. G'day, bud. Just pinching your tools.
Oh, mate, go for it.
Thank you. Yeah, this is, yeah, these old piles. Oh, there's the modem. Hey, we've got our first modem. Typical Netgear. Easiest thing to scrap. T9 Torx. Just wanted a quick look here. Just driving past and oh well, there's a modem. Sometimes you see stuff on the side of the road, but you can't just stop immediately because you know there are cars behind you and things like that. So hey, sometimes you just got to park where you can. Okay, I think it's probably time I start putting in a few push bikes if I see them, because oh yeah. Aluminium. Hope it fits in the van. Go from the back. Definitely not going to fit. Okay. Ah, nice pieces of aluminium. Too awkward. There we go. No, little kids' push bikes are certainly not hard to find. I'll take it. Hey, these ones have seen Ben 10 and a mongoose. Okay. Shoes. Mini. Hey, I saw a keyboard and I thought might be there, might be something there. Obviously no PC, but free hard drives. Tiny alley. All good. Better get off the road. It's a bit tight. I just stopped at 7-Eleven to get a coffee, but I think I'm almost on my way home. Okay. Huh. Okay. Some sort of robot hand. Strap steel. Well, no front wheel, makes it easy. All right, well, we're getting there. Nice hilly street. Yeah. Pretty exhausted now. I'm not match fit for street scrapping. Wow, it's been great. So, quite a few scrappers out. Obviously, with fuel being so expensive, it probably kept a few scrappers away, but yeah, it's been good. I've had fun, so that's the main thing. I'll probably just have another look around for another 5-10 minutes and yeah, just head home, I think. Well, a bit of scrap steel, finish off. These are awful to put in really, but because I'm finishing off, they'll be okay. Oh. La, da, 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 da. There's another push bike. Oh, they're never ending, are they? Every street scrap there's mountains of push bikes. I'll take it. A spare one. I'll go to ride to the shops with it and that. Don't you hate seeing keyboards and no PCs? Hey, some scrappers just don't give us a break, hey? It's all fun. I'll just leave then. Alright, oh well, no PC, bit of scrap steel, just a rusty old thing. It's not going to be easy to just go to the scrapyard with the van like that, because there's a lot of irony alley and all that sort of stuff, so it's going to take a while. Cord food. Haven't got many of these today. It's only the second one. Wow, that's a nice long cord. Okay. Printer. Whatever this is, child seat. These gas and air containers. Never pick them up because your scrapyard doesn't want them. They explode. All right. Everything but the kitchen sink, hey? Well, we get that too. Oh, there's 2 sinks. Haven't had a bath for 4 years, so this will do me. Okay. Oh well, that's about 15 bucks worth of scrap steel, stainless steel. Oh, here we go. Guys, they're never ending, are they? Might as well. Pink seems to be the colour of the day too, for some. Okay. All right. I think I'm just about done though. See what I mean by push bikes? And if I started those push bikes when I first started, thinking, oh, there's not going to be much around. There you go. I'd be gone a long time. Okay. It's a good fan, good motor, cord. Yeah, I think I'm done, guys. Sun slowly going down. Beautiful. Look at that. Stainless, some aluminium, a lot of irony aluminium, probably 4 microwaves. My PC, got that awesome laptop and that Yamaha mixer, scrap steel, cords. It's like some kind of weird tripod. Wow. Well, can't fit any more push bikes in there. Maybe that one. Ski sticks. Iron alley. Okay, well, all I got room for is some PCs or laptops at the front. I really don't think that's going to happen. You know, as usual, I was super lucky finding that one PC that probably just got put out, and even more luckier to find that really good laptop, because that was in a box. So, as you can see, at the end of the day, and people are just starting to put things out now as well. So you'll have your midnight scrappers come, and then the guys first thing in the morning, they'll come. Everyone comes eventually. They all have their times, and yeah, a bit of luck, everyone does okay. All right, well, like I said, I've got no room in the van really, unless I found some nice small heavy pieces of steel. There's still a lot to do in the area, but well, no point for me. And it's certainly too late to take it all back, unload, and then try and start again. All right, guys, I'm actually pretty tired, so I think I'd better head back. I'm chock-a-block. It's pretty good. I mean, obviously a lot of push bikes, so it's all pretty light, but hey, you know, it all adds up in the end. So yeah, I think I'll head home now before it gets dark.
Turn right onto Smith Street.
And hope that was a bit of fun for you guys. And yeah, next week I probably come out and do it all again while it's running. Might as well make the most of it because I'm not getting much work, and so
300 meters, turn left onto Leinster.
I might as well come out and pick a bit of scrap and yeah, make a little bit of money this way. So all right guys, keep scrapping, have fun, and I'll catch you real soon.